Hey, hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely rocking. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a very famous fraud that has been brought to limelight recently, and that's nothing but SwimSwap fraud. So guys, please watch the video till the end and we'll cover four of the main points. So the first one is what is SimSwap fraud, and second one would be how to prevent it, and third one would be how do you know if you are a prey for this fraud, and the fourth one is what you need to do if you fall as a prey to this new fraud. So guys, this is Teja and you are watching Techie Teja. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, you must have wondered what is SimSwap fraud. So you think a SIM is a small plastic that lies in your smartphone or your phone, but it's more than that, guys. Let me tell you. So what is SimSwap fraud? This is a new kind of fraud that hackers use to get all your details like bank account details or Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Insta and whatnot. They can entirely conquer, and there is a chance of misusing this data. So how is this done basically? So guys, the first thing is the hacker calls you on your mobile, and he says that he is calling from customer care, and he need few details to fill in your form or something like that, and he might also ask some personal questions which these banks regularly ask you, like your mother's maiden name or the date of birth and so on. So they collect all the data from you, and they say that just give a feedback on this call, and they send you a message with a small link. I mean, that message need not come from the bank itself. It might look it came from the bank, but it might not be actually from your bank. So once you click that link, the virus or whatever you might call it enters your smartphone and collects all the data, and when your smartphone is connected to the internet, so whatever data is stored on your phone will be sent to hacker. So this is one thing. And the second chance is, like, after having all this data, they might call your service provider, that's like Airtel or Jio, anything. So they might call them and say that old SIM has been damaged and he wants to replace that SIM to a new SIM, and he has all the security answers with him. When the customer care guys, they think that it's really you, they try to serve you at the best, and what they do is they just replace the old SIM with the new SIM and provide it to the hacker. So he can do anything and everything he wants to do with a single phone number. So guys, that brings us to the second point, how to prevent it from happening. To prevent it from happening, you can just set a PIN or a passcode to your SIM card. For that, you need to call to the customer care and ask them the procedure how to get a PIN or a passcode for your particular SIM card, if that's possible. And the second thing is, you should not share your personal data or your phone numbers, your data which you think that should not be shared, the information that should not be shared on a social media like Facebook, Gmail. These days all of these social media applications keeps on asking you these, link the account to your phone number or such things. So you better avoid that, or think twice before providing your phone number on these social media platforms. Keep all your private data to yourself and do not expose it to the social media, and this would be a really great preventive measure. And guys, that brings us to the third point, how do you know if you are attacked with this kind of fraud? So guys, you will come to know about this attack once your SIM has been swapped, or all your network signals go down to zero at once. At that particular point of time, what's happening is your old SIM has been replaced with a new SIM, and that's with the fraudster. And because the new SIM has been activated, all your contacts, SMS and everything will be moved to the new SIM, and the old SIM loses its signals. That is a sure sign that you are a prey of SimSwap fraud. So guys, and that brings us to the fourth point. So what do you need to do once you think you are a prey of this SimSwap fraud. And in this situation guys, you cannot call your operator because your SIM has been deactivated already. You cannot call your banks because they accept calls only from the registered mobile number. The first and foremost thing that you need to do is call your network provider from another mobile and request them that this swap has not been done by you. That is the first thing you need to do. And the second thing is run to your bank and inform them that the SIM swap has been done and that's not you who has did it. So request them to cancel all your future transactions until you get your number back. So guys, if possible, you can always inform the cybercrime branch so that they will be able to take care of these kind of frauds in future, and they might have a chance to get hold of that hacker. So guys, I think this particular video is pretty much informative for you guys. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. That being said, I would like to end the video over here guys. So guys, let me tell you that there is a lot more interesting stuff coming on my channel, so do consider subscribing and don't forget to press that bell icon to receive any further notifications when I upload a video for you guys. And do share the video with your friends and family so that they will be in safe hands for them to take all the preventive measures that needs to be taken. And guys, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this SIM swap fraud in India, and what is your point of view on this kind of cyber crimes. Let's meet in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and never back down. Jai Hind.